Improv is spontaneous. Improv is unplanned, and improv involves audience participation or the participation of people around you. When you're asked to give a presentation, what do you want to do for that presentation? You want to prepare, right? How many of you have given a presentation and you haven't prepared at all? And if you did, how'd that go for you? Sometimes it happens, right? Feel good? Yeah. Botany and you in that clicker. You got 6 slides.
Botany, okay.
Botany.
Yep.
Yeah. All right.
All right, everybody. Are you ready to rock? Yeah. All right. So let's talk about some plants. I don't know if many people know this about me, but I actually moved from Portland, Oregon. So if you've ever been there, it's kind of like you are one with plants. See, people think that plants don't cost money, but they do. Cows are all part of it, right? So if you don't have cows, you don't have manure. And if you don't have manure, you don't have fertilization. Without fertilization, we don't have plants. And so next time you drive down the road and you see a cow, you thank them. All right? So we're going to keep going now. People are very complicated, just like plants. And there's layers. There's layers. If you ever cut down a tree, you'll see there's rings, there's layers of people, or there's layers on that. And think about tonight, and think about how you're gonna save the world, one plant at a time. All right. So I have 2 more slides left. I thought I had 1, so this is not a conclusion. This is to bring back that they're everywhere. We've clearly cut some down here, which is pretty close to Russia, and we know not to mess with them. So in conclusion, look at the joy it brings people. And so when you're studying botany, you're not studying just about plants. You're studying about joy. All right.
I hope you're able to kind of connect the spontaneity, the unplannedness, the images, the thinking on your feet to how engaging those presentations were. This isn't like you're going to go to your next board meeting and do this, right? But it's to help you understand just the power of these different concepts that we have in improv and how you can maybe weave them in just a little bit. Maybe a few more images, a few less words on your slides. Maybe telling a really good story or anything like that.